Wouldn't it be great to have X-ray vision?
Men, you've come here today dressed for battle.
Boy, you got a lot of pepperoni in your bread.
Get Little Caesars free pepperoni bread and 2 pizzas with extra pepperoni for $7.98.
Pizza.
And get free chocolate.
I'm building this for Sierra. It's almost finished now, but so we got a pig in it. But I can't. Got some bales of hay, corn. Hee haw, hee hee haw 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 hee haw. But I don't know, the pig's agreeing. It's not finished yet. It's almost finished. Because he's sick. Hey, y'alls, where's it going, y'alls? Hey, y'alls. I'm just pigging out in here.
And now it's finished. It looks like a cartoon character.
Sierra sees it tomorrow morning. She'll be
My husband built this one, or made this one for SIARRA.
It's going to do it before
She gonna
printer
get-
messed up.
He didn't tell her tonight because she can't sleep. She always get excited, so it's a surprise for tomorrow. She gonna bring all her toys in her, the small toys, and start playing. She want those grandparents' toys. It's a cute pig in there. It's really nice. This is a bond paper. My husband print this one from the... Where you got the picture now?
It's a clip art. I got it from Google.
Ah, it's a clip art. He got it from Google. The corn here, cornfield, and the blue sky with the white clouds. Really nice. This one here too. This thing is nice.
Reminds me of those things I used to do like that in school.
Tomorrow we're gonna start playing in here. Okay, continue tomorrow.
She found it.
Look at this one. Hello.
She finally found it.
Oh, look at that pig. Oink, 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 oink. I like this slime. We're moving to a new house. We're going to pack our stuff. Got it. And look at this one. What's that? Wow. True. Hey, you was walking in the railroad out the car? Yeah, I'm walking out in the railroad. I don't have no car. I'm not rich. I only have walking feet. Walking feet? Yeah, walking feet. And where's Fido? I hear Fido. You're your friend. Oh, hello there. Oh, I was standing there. I say hello to her. To her? Yeah. I was standing there all day long and wait for all of you to come. And the pig is over there. Waxing in the mud. Pigs like mud. I know. Somebody does say that. I'm going with the coin. I'm not going to get myself dirty. Oh, hello, pig. Okay. Oh, look at the coin. That. at the camera. Wow, what this camera's doing here? Bringing us in the farm. Oh, hello there. Let's walk in the railroad crack like Grandma. And no rich also. No have no car. Hey, you have a ball here? Let's stand here while I climb off. I wonder where in the mud today. Hey, what's the ball? Hey, bring the camera down. Come here, follow me. Follow me. Down. And there's the ball. Where is it? Oh, there it is. These are the balls. They colorful balls too, blue, and the orange and the yellow. Got it? Try to buy them for me.
Okay, Daddy add more.
You can't put that here. It'll be in the way.
Daddy add a barn.
Right here.
It's sideways.
It's sideways, you have to put it like this. This one, I don't like
No,
that.
this way.
You're blocking the pig.
No, like this.
You can't put it out there because there's a farmhouse going to be there. This is just a barn.
That's a barn.
I want to reach that.
You can still reach
You
it.
can reach that one when you sit down.
Come on with that.
Do you love it?
Yeah, I want the barn to be down.
You do? Look at mommy. Where's the sun? Is that here?
What?
The sun. You didn't print. Oh, here. She woke up this morning and she said, there's no sun. So Daddy have to print a sun and put it there. The sun is too small. Should be a piece big. She wants this one as a farm. Farm toy. Ever. So she love to play. And Daddy. So her and Daddy are gonna play here.
No big cat.
Yes. Don't shake it. You got your sun already. You see it? Huh? Did you see the sun? Huh?
Yes. Oh, nice! It's a nice screen. Oh, nice! I can look at this. I don't look at Hello, Piggy. Oh, look at you! That way looking high. Right. Now I'm going to look at the barn. Oh. I don't know why we having a nice day, but we're having a nice day sitting around. But so just stand up, don't sit on the dirty ground with dog poop, and elephant poop, cow poop, sheep poop, rooster cheeks, chickens poop. way coin over there. We got a creepy sound. We got the sun. And this is a good. Hey, I found a pet you like. Pet, I like. Whoopee! I want myself here. Wow, this is what you mean it. Yeah, that's what I mean it. I said get. I'm scared of the camera. I'm not with a kid. Why do I baby? Why you with witch? I don't know. You're going to look at me, baby. Come on, camera, balls, blah, blah, blah. Wow. I don't know why this farm has cold air. I found this there. I just found Outfit Mademoiselle. Outfit Mademoiselle. Wow, look at the outfit. I want to stay here. Look at these pictures. Let's talk. Okay. Yeah, why, you're going to talk, baby? Why. I don't know why. You stand up and join the farm. The end. Now this is a day episode about 5 days at Sada Clay House. Got it? And wise up. Some say wise up. And yeah, wise up.
Okay, here's the farmhouse. My husband add a tree here with apple right here. This one have no fruit, but this one have. And he put some crow. There's 4 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 crow. It's nice. It's not done on this one yet. He keep adding more character in here. My daughter love to play this one already. She's playing in here already. It's gonna open and big space around her. She can put her small toys. Can you spot a crow? I spot one here. It's really nice.
That was when we moved to another house and who doesn't see grandkids.
Yes, I seem to have been invited. I was at college with your granny and grandpapa a long time ago.
Nice green
Typical. You wait ages for a magic bus, then 3 come at once.
Oh, I don't like this. There's no driver. Why not be a driver? I'm a magic bus. Oh, I really
Now they're playing in here.
What's this?
It's a nice sit up.
Now what?
Daddy add more.
I'm going crazy.
More. What's this?
A crow.
More crow in here.
Hey.
Right there. More crow.
Hey, you need help?
Now she's playing here.
What's that noise? Is something?
Grandparents set of toys.
I need to... Wait,
How do you like this one, Ciara?
Sure, I have to.
How do you like this sit up?
Yeah. No, nice.
Nice.
Oh, when we get...
Did you say
when we
thank you?
get
Did you say
one-
thank you?
Thank you, Daddy.
Look at,
when we get
look at the
sister.
camera. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Like.
It's not the ending.
I said the ending yet. She said the ending yet.
What is called
I
again?
said like. I said the ending. She's still
I
playing.
don't know what this is. I'm still doing it.
Hello, grandparents. How do you like your new farm?
Yeah.
Up.
We stay here forever, forever.
That's a nice farm. We could even go here and slop the hogs. Slop, slop. Slop the
What's
hogs.
this?
We go up here and see the crows. Hey, crows. Hey, crows. How many crows are there?
6.
5.
6.
6 crows.
Daddy don't know how to count.
Uh-oh. I don't know how to count the crows.
What's the
1, 2,
what do you call
3,
this one?
4,
Huh?
5, 6.
Cardboard.
No, the thing that you make like this, but it's there's a name. It's a forgot.
Forgot too. And I said it just today. I forgot.
Final day.
No, it's not fine.
We got some bales hay. We got pig. We got trees.
I wanna
We
eat
got
some
a
apples.
cornfield in the back.
She's harvesting some apples.
I'm eating them.
Are you
I fry.
Are you
Look, I
eating?
soup yeah.
Are you super
I can
drunk?
fry. But
Oh, she landed wrong.
I know how to fry. It's a
Who is
chicken.
that? Ah, roaster. Now you're gonna add roaster in here. See the roaster?
Yeah, it's a nice pista.
It's a nice roaster.
This is Roy from Garfield and Friends, but he can still go in there.
Okay, goodbye now.
It's not the ending yet.
Mommy have to wash
It's
this.
not an ending yet.
Goodbye,
grandparents. Good night. Sleep tight.
No, we're not sleeping. It's still morning.
I see. Okay, I thought it's morning.
The sun's out. See it?
Yeah, I said it wrong. Goodbye. I rise up. Background. Background. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Woof, woof. Cock-a-doodle. Quack, quack.
I want to eat myself.